You know, I don't know when you I don't know when you joined the program because I've made comments on that about it, you know, at the beginning of this particular live stream. The guy was there. This woman admitted that she truly, you know, hijacked the money. She did not deny. She made it. She accepted. But in her own explanation, that the reason is because that the money was donated under Briggy, according to her, and she also went further by saying that she did it to IPOB, that she transferred the document to autopilot and all that. So if this is her way, the question is, you calling on her platform, causing people. Now, you are causing yourself, because the woman you are trying to defend accepted that she have already accepted that she did it. So what I'm saying is just like causing yourself. Are you getting my point?
Bro, now, yeah, you know what it is that some people are very, very wicked. You are telling somebody, you are trying to convince people that what the people in France said, that Adado Rama collected money, and you came to that program trying to let people know that what these people said are lies.
That's all.
And in the wrong way you are trying to do this thing. The woman you want to defend is there telling you that yes, she is with the money, right? And upon that, you are not trying. The person trying to twist it, because I watch this thing when you are saying that. You know, I don't want to Adado Rama again, because so that man was there swearing, and Adado Rama was there telling the man that this is exactly what happened.
Yes.
But that money, but the money, she says, it's like she's saying that she is not going to release that money to them. That is, she's going to give it to these people.
Yes.
And these people now are telling her that she has to come. Let them talk about it, right? So when you see all these things happening, you will force to ask yourself, this is the same woman. This woman now, this Adado Rama now, is the same woman castigating Dr. Ngozi Orabeze. That also she doesn't listen, right?
Yeah.
That she always be autocratic. She always be autocratic in nature or in everything. She like to unlike domineering. But the same woman are there collecting people's money. Right?
Join a close manage WhatsApp group there.
She cannot manage this case now. She cannot manage that. Emeka Ghana, the one of them don't left now.
Okay.
Many WhatsApp, like they have blocked her now. They have blocked the woman. You see, Ogenkere is claiming GPM by all this CRUC, which is not an electoral body. How can CRUC, who is not an electoral body, can name that man ATM or APM?
ATM. I prefer to call him ATM.
There is something I want to say again. You see all this bank something. Sonia Barawa have already taken that stand. Any bank, the USB mepre, Sonia Barawa go inside, try to dig out some certain questions, some certain things. And whenever he came out online to say all sorts of things against the bank, against that account, people will not understand it. All people know is that they will not try to say that our account is exposing our people. They forget that Sonia Barawa is the one trying to, expose everything every account that we have. Because yes, this is what he's doing, and the people are supposed to understand that everything that is happening in account we have is because of Sonia Barawa exposition. Dr. Ngozi said this in last night that these people have trying to fight every account we have, and we will continue to put money in our account. When you talk about this two-dimensional account, they are talking about humanitarian account. It is humanitarian account. Some people do not understand about what this thing means. Let me just clear it once